I would have to say some of my goals for coming here were just keep myself abreast of what's going on in manufacturing. I've been away from it for a few years since I've been here in Europe. And again, American manufacturing technologies and European technologies are on a little bit different levels. So this was a good opportunity to get my hands, maybe, or at least my mind, a little bit more involved in what's going on in manufacturing in the world.
To have the possibility to share experiences. So we are implementing business excellence, and I want to know how the others have done this kind of experience, and I want to share with them to have a return on investment, to have a return on this experience.
My goals were really networking and just taking a look around and seeing what the rest of manufacturing industry is doing, because a lot of my job is focused on just execution. So it's nice to lift the head up and have a look around and see what the world is doing, and I have certainly achieved that yet. The biggest takeaway is still that it comes down to people. It's about culture, it's about engaging people, and anything we need to do in the future, our people have to go with us. I think that is the key takeaway.
Well, to be updated on the latest good practices in manufacturing strategies and continuous improvement, and then also to have the opportunity to meet people coming from various industries and sectors.
I think two. Mike James from ATS spoke really well about Industry 4.0, some very challenging and interesting concepts that he had. And secondly, Dominic Mueller, just really left field thinking that is inspiring. It was sort of Google meets manufacturing almost, that level of difference, very different.
New innovative way of small manufacturing, distributed manufacturing. This was extremely thought-provoking. And he pointed out this was aimed or targeted at being motivated by a lot of young people. But as an older engineer, I could jump into something like this, and with the flexibility and the agility, I would be right at home immediately.
I think Mark Baker from Chingo Institutes gave me a very good impression, and he has a model and a philosophy which could be very, very interesting for us. So I was impressed by this person.
Because I was pretty impressed by his background and also by the messages he gave us in terms of change management and people mobilization.
I think it's a very good organization, friendly, very good for the networking, and the quality of the speakers was very, very good.
Very interesting, exciting to meet a lot of different people and different concepts, and overall very positive event.